Direct replacement. This blower motor resistor and harness kit directly replaces the original equipment on select vehicle years, makes and models. Material: resistor. Complete kit. Each kit comes with a resistor and harness pigtail, which is essential for most repairs. Restores functionality, made to perform like original equipment to restore full HVAC operation. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of engineers and quality specialists in the USA. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This HVAC blower motor resistor kit includes a resistor and harness pigtail to replace an overheated or corroded original equipment resistor on certain vehicles. Top reviews from the United States. Now my fan has 3 speeds. So I bought this because my fan on my 2002 F150 had only 1 speed high. I found that the wire had burned and this was a perfect replacement with the switch. I just followed the wire from the original and put it back where the control belongs, and there it is, 3 speeds low, med, high. Let's see how long it's going to last. Other than that, I am happy, and it's a easy project under the glove box. 2 screws.